Hello, welcome to Turbulence Trade, a new episode of this week's trade review. In this week, the market tried to pull back, but at last, the SPY ended with 1.3% growth. However, most of the tech stocks has slipped a lot. In the last month, I kept saying I stayed pessimistic about the market, so I haven't held much of the stock positions. This helped me to avoid possible big losses. Looking at the next week, I am optimistic, so I opened several positions in this week. I will introduce them in the rest of this video. First is O. In this option, I lost 20%. I liked O very much because of its high implied volatility. However, this trade ended with loss with a failing trend of the whole market. In fact, if the expiration date of this option is in the next week, I will still hold it because I am optimistic to the next week. Another one I have finished is Tesla. In this one, I gained 17% profit. This was a fast day trading near the end of the market. The implied volatility of Tesla is 3 times to the O, so if there is an obvious chance to trade on Tesla, a decent profit will come into the pocket. When the similar bounce pattern appeared, I bought in and exited early to avoid unpredicted risks. Although I didn't sell it at the peak price, but I'm still happy with this trade. After all, trading is a game of risk control. Here is one of my open positions. I bought in this position because O has bounced up from SMA 60 support. This pattern has made me many successful trades in the past. By the end of this week, it has already created a favorable profit. In my opinion, O will still in the buying zone in next week. If you buy it, set the stop loss limit near the SMA 60 position. Another position I opened was on LULU. I love the continuously strong performance of Lululemon. After struggling in the horizontal range for nearly 2 months, it again showed signs of climbing up. Since LULU has not announced the date for Q2 earning, I need there will be more pricing in actions in the next week. But this trade is kind of risky. Be careful playing with this one. For the next week, there are going to be many earning reports published in the coming weeks. I think many stocks are already overly priced in, so I will not hold my positions to bet the earnings. The greatest news of this week is the vaccine tested by mRNA. Hope it can be released worldwide soon. On the other hand, even the vaccine fails again, I do not see it will pull back the stock market too much, because the failures have happened too many times in the past month. I stay positive to the next week. We'll hold the 2 positions mentioned earlier as long as possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. You can follow me on Twitter. I will update all my real-time trades there. See you next week.